I'm the humble potato, yes, that potato. Don't let my plain looks fool you. I'm a global superstar.
Fried, baked, you name it. Fun fact, I was the first vegetable grown in space. Yep, I'm basically an astronaut.
To keep you going strong. From French fries to chips, I shape entire cuisines. So next time you see me...
Oh, hello, darling. I'm the fabulous suit or veget. The debate never ends. But science... I may be soft, but I steal the spotlight in every dish. So slice me, diss me, love me, but never underestimate.
Hey, it's me, the onion. Yeah, I know I make you cry, but it's not personal. When you
Plus, I've got antioxidants that are great for your health. So sure, I might bring the...
Baby, I come in layers, just like your emotions. And I'm a base for countless delicious dishes.